officially announce Uganda's commemoration of the 45th World Food Day, which is celebrated globally every year on the 16th of October. This day holds immense significance because it raises awareness and mobilizes action on critical issues of hunger, of food security, of nutrition security, of environmental security, and it also discusses the future of our food systems. This year's commemoration also coincides with the 80th anniversary of the founding of the Food Agriculture Organization, FAO, of the United Nations. So congratulations, FAO, and we value the partnership. We congratulate FAO and commend the synergies we have shared over time. The national celebrations will be at Webitaba Research Institute. Webitaba is in Kabarole, Western Uganda, at Chembugo Station on the 16th of October 2025, and we shall be starting at 9 a.m. Our theme for this year's Food Day is hand in hand for better foods and a better future. This year's theme, hand in hand for better food and a better future, is a powerful call for global and national collaboration. It emphasizes that transforming our food systems requires us to work together across governments, organizations, the private sector, academia, and communities for the benefit of both people and our planet. It says we farm for the benefit of the people. We must also not endanger the planet, Earth, which feeds us. We must innovatively farm in a sustainable manner without endangering or making the ecosystem fragile. In Uganda, the spirit of hand in hand resonates deeply with our cherished tradition of lw'emmere, working together for a common good. It's about harnessing our collective strength of a shared goal, better food and a better future for every Ugandan. In line with this theme, a number of community activities such as tree planting, market cleanups, establishment of school gardens, and public dialogues involving farmers, traders, and other stakeholders to discuss challenges and solutions of food will be held. Sustaining the impact beyond the day. The question is, if you have one day, what's the impact? So last year, while attending the Global Food Week engagements, a number of key issues arose, specifically food waste and food loss. It became apparent that as we have discussions about food production on such a day, we need also to discuss about food production. We also discuss how we are managing what we have. We cannot continue lamenting without changing our habits. World Food Day should not be seen as just a day where we talk about how we are producing food, but also what we are producing and how we are managing our food for equitable distribution, better nutrition, and sustainability. We need voices of change within our communities using the available communication platforms to discuss better practices and habits even after just the day itself. For sustained follow-up, we will all, at our different levels, continue community dialogue and report back on the success of these partnerships and actions during next year's World Food Day, ensuring accountability and continuous progress. How is the theme relevant to our farming community? Agriculture is Uganda's backbone. Of course, you know very well, 70% of Ugandans rely on agriculture for livelihood and for employment. But yet challenges of low productivity, post-harvest losses, climate change, limited market access still persist. So this theme directly addresses the need for collaboration to jointly improve food production, distribution, and nutrition outcomes. So it's a call to look at the whole value chain of food management. And at each stage of the value chain, we identify the bottlenecks for the farmer through research. The research angle brings in a solution. For the transport, collaboration collaboration now with the other agencies, ministries of transport, local governments. So the day is not just exhibiting the food varieties we've been able to produce, but it's also to discuss the other confounding factors for those challenges. Addressing food and nutrition security is one of the relevant areas to discuss. We still have pockets of malnutrition, with about 25% of children under 5 stunted. Better foods means therefore safe, nutritious, and affordable diets, vital for health growth, strong immunity, and productivity. It's not just mmere ya kukusa mwana. To get satisfied is what? That one. It's not just about that kukusa only. It's about okute chota demu. Yes, it's enough to fill your stomach, but is it nutritious? Does it really nourish your body adequately? Variability threatens our food security. You know that. The theme calls for joint action to promote climate-smart agriculture, drought-tolerant crops, water harvesting, and better land management, safeguarding our environment while ensuring food security. And that's where research becomes key. Promoting peace and stability, hand in hand, underscores unity and peace building through inclusive agriculture development, empowering our youth and women, and reducing rural poverty, recognizing that food insecurity can fuel conflict. So any stability of a country, the first guarantor for peace is food security.